Thanks a lot to all the people that are subscribing to our channel, and I appreciate it. And on behalf of my colleague, I say thanks a lot. Please keep on subscribing to our YouTube channel so we can able to go forward with our videos. Today I'm making a Palazzo pant. Yes, today I'm making a Palazzo pant, and stay with me. I know many of you, maybe you don't like to wear the same clothes as other people, same clothes with other people, and if you don't like to wear the same clothes with other people, clothes that are looking alike, so stay here with me and follow this tutorial of a Palazzo pant. Now we are going to put this one together, the crotch here. I'm going to put them together here. I just leave a piece in case that if my customer will get fed quick, and then she will just enlarge it. And here always, when you are making the waist, make sure you just put on your measurement to remind yourself on the size that you were given to your customer. Making the daft. Now we are going to work on our front daft. This is the front, and we are just going to work on our front daft. front for the palazzo pant that I put together, the patterns, and there's I put the zip. And then now what we are going to do here is to put together the front. This is the front, and put together the back. You see. And then we are going to the machine, and we put it together here, there. You see, and here, there. We are just going to overlock inside so it can look well. And then let's see how it will come out. How it will come out. We are just going to see how it will come out. Yeah. On our waistband, and when you put on your waistband, you make sure the waist length, the length of the pant must be equal to the waistband. The waistband length, they must be equal to each other. And before you sew it on, measure it well if it's enough. Like here I have this waistband, and then you have to measure, because here first you're going to sew it. You're going to sew it there first of all. And then you level it like that, because this part I left the back of the sewing. And then you measure it well. If it's enough, then you go. There is going to be enough. And if there's something left, you're just going to cut it. And then here again, you go like that. Because the pant has 4 parts. Let me just show you the 4 parts of the pant. There, it's enough. There is 4 parts of the pant, as you can see. There, this is the 1 part. In here is the 2nd part there, and the 3rd part, and the 4th part, like that. And as well, the waistband must be 4 parts, as the pant is. Now we have come to the conclusion of our palazzo pant, and this is how it looked like. So this is how we was doing it, and these are the pockets, and there you go. That's the height. That's the height, and I'm wearing it with higher heels here, as you can see, but still it's not my height. The owner had really a height. And so this is how we were doing the palazzo pant. And so it's how it looked like. And so this is really nice. I also like it. And yeah, it's just fine. You see? You see? And my shoes are not really can't be seen. So yes, this is how was our struggle of the palazzo pants. And on behalf of my colleague, I say ciao ciao.